Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a very easy lilac painting and we will do it with the help of Q-tips. This is a very beginner friendly tutorial and also can be made by kids and appropriate for kids' bedroom. So let's get started. With the help of white and a tinge of black, we will be creating the base, which is the fence. This will be grey in color. Once it is dry, we will proceed to make the fence. So with the help of black and brown, we will be creating lines. It shouldn't be exact straight lines. So with a little vowel, we will make the division of the fence. My apologies for the wire, I noticed it later. But now the next step would be making the plants. So with dark green color, I've mixed in a little of black to it and I will be creating the stem of the plants. Now take the lilac, which is the lighter shade, and dab that on with the help of the Q-tip. Now take white, and we will just do this white part till the half of the lilac flowers. Now I've taken yellow. You can take any other color like orange or red, and with the help of a filbert brush number 0, I'll be creating flowers. I've taken some more of green and I'll be making the stems now. Now I'm mixing a little of black to the green, and I'll be creating shadows on few of these stems and leaf. That will give us an appearance that some of the stems are in front and some at the back. So it will create a dimension. And I'm putting in another layer of yellow. So guys, our painting is almost done, and this is how it will look if you put it on the walls that has no windows or at a kid's bedroom. So I hope you try it yourself, and do let me know under the comments how it turned out for you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to show me your support. And do watch my other videos that's displaying on the screen. Have a lovely day guys. Bye bye.